Hello dear students, welcome back to chemistry classes. Today we have to know number of protons present in an atom is known as atomic number. Let us go what is mean by atomic number. Atomic number is nothing but number of protons in an atom is called atomic number or atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass or atomic number, it is the number of atom, it is the number of protons present in an atom, present in an atom. ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನು ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ hydrogen having how many protons? Only one proton. Hydrogen having only one proton, so its atomic number is 1. For a helium it has 2, means how many protons are there? 2 protons are there, that's why its atomic number is 2. For sodium it is 11. Atomic number, how many protons are there in sodium? There are 11 protons in a sodium atom, that's why its atomic number is 11. Like that atomic number you have to tell. But in a neutral atom, number of protons equal to number of neutrons, equal to number of electrons. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. See, I am repeating atomic mass. Atomic mass is number of protons present in an atom. ಒಂದು ಪರಮಾಣುವಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್, ತಟಸ್ಥ ಧಾತುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ತಟಸ್ಥ ಪರಮಾಣುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಟಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ 11 protons and 11 electrons. How many? 11 protons and 11 electrons. Similarly, helium 2 protons and 2 electrons. Okay, like this we have to tell. Okay, it is represented by, atomic number is represented by or denoted by Z. Atomic number, it is denoted by what? Z symbol. Okay, ಈಗ atomic mass ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ mass number ನೋಡೋಣ. atomic mass. What do you mean by atomic mass? It is the number of protons and neutrons. It is number of protons and neutrons. Number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an element ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ number of protons and neutrons in an atom of an electron. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನು, ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ number of protons and neutrons present in an atom of an element is called atomic mass. Then so in a hydrogen there is only one proton and there is no neutron. In hydrogen there is only one proton and there is no neutron in hydrogen. In helium there is a 2 protons and 2 neutrons. In hydrogen, in helium 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Like that we have to having protons and neutrons present in nucleus. Present in what? Nucleus. Then what do you mean by nucleons? Nucleons means what? Nucleons andre ಏನು, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು nucleons ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Nucleons are nothing but protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons present in an atom, present in nucleus. Present in nucleus. Protons and neutrons present in nucleus is called nucleons. Okay ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, nucleons ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Protons and neutrons present in nucleus, it is called nucleons ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what do you mean by isotopes? Isotopes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು isotopes ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ iso means same. Iso means what? Same. Okay, isotopes andre ಏನು, atom having a same number of atomic number means species, chemical species having same number of atomic number but different mass number, those are called isotopes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಪರಮಾಣು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪರಮಾಣು ರಾಶಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, isotopes ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. These are isotopes in which having same atomic number isotopes which are having same atomic number isotopes are those definition ಏನಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, isotopes are those which having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. For example, it is for isotopes of hydrogen means protium means proton, deuterium, tritium, these are all what? Isotopes of hydrogen. What these are? Isotopes of hydrogen. Then C12, carbon 12, 6, 12, 6, 13, 6, 14. Carbon 12 isotopes, carbon 13 isotopes and carbon 14 isotopes. Isotopes of carbon. See here. Isotopes are the compounds, are the substances or elements which are having the same number of, which are having the same atomic number but different mass number, which are having what? Same atomic number but different mass number. Atoms having or substance having same atomic number but different mass number are those called isotopes. These are all called what? Isotopes. Okay, next that isotones. Isotones, these are the compounds, these are the substance, these are the elements, these are the elements which are having different atomic number and different mass number are called isotones. And isoelectronics. What are isoelectronics? Isoelectronics are the isoelectronics. These are the species. These are the species having same atomic number, same number of electrons. For example, N3. In nitrogen 7 electrons are there. N minus 3 means 3 electrons are extra, means 10 electrons. O2, it is also having a 10 electrons. O2 minus, it is also having a 10 electrons. F minus, fluorine already 9 electrons are there, 1 extra electrons are there, means this much 10 electrons. For sodium plus, means sodium 11 electrons are there, in that 1 electron is lost, 10 electrons. And for magnesium Mg plus 2, it is also 10 electrons. For aluminium plus 3, it lost 3 electrons. Aluminium having atomic number 13, it has 10 electrons. It lost 3 electrons means it is also having 10 electrons. Like that, isoelectrons are there. Okay. Representation of atom. Atom ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, x ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. x ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು? x is an atom. X is an atom. It having upper part that A, it is the mass number or atomic mass that is represented by A, and atomic number already we know that is represented by Z. Means we have to calculate the number of neutrons. Neutrons. We have to calculate the number of neutrons. In order to calculate the number of neutrons, A minus Z is equal to neutron. Means atomic mass divided by minus atomic number. Atomic mass minus atomic number, we are getting the neutrons. For example, we take an example here that sodium having 11 atomic number, its atomic mass is 23. How much its atomic mass is? 23. Then its atomic mass is 23, means A minus Z. A is equal to 23 and Z is equal to 11, is equal to 12 neutrons are present in sodium. See here, atomic number means atomic mass means proton and neutrons are present, and atomic number means total number of neutrons. See here, it is an atom. In this nucleus. In the nucleus, protons and neutrons are there. We know the protons in sodium, 11 protons are there, and we don't know the neutrons, but total means protons and neutrons together gives 23, but protons is 11, then number of neutrons is equal to how much? Number of neutrons is equal to 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. We can easily calculate 12 at number of neutrons. Okay, see similar problems. Similarly we are calculate for carbon, oxygen, magnesium, ferrous, strontium, uranium and all. Okay, for carbon it is having a atomic number 7, atomic mass number is 13. Atomic mass number is what? 13 for this isotope. It is a carbon isotope. Here how much? Number of protons is how much? 13 minus 7 is equal to how much? 6. Isn't it? 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Sorry, not 6. 13. 6 number of protons and how many number of 7 number of protons, and 6 number of neutrons. Similarly for oxygen, here atomic number is 8 and atomic mass is 16, number of protons is equal to 8 and number of neutrons also 8. For this formula we have to write this formula perfectly. They may ask in annual examination. Here atomic number is 12, atomic mass number is 24 and number of protons is equal to 12, and how many number of electrons? That also 12 plus 12 or 24. That is the number of mass. Here number of protons is 26, atomic mass is 56 and number of protons is equal to 26 and 56 minus means 660, that how much? 30. We got 30 number of neutrons. In this number of atomic number is 38, atomic mass number is 88, number of protons is equal to 38, then how many? 30 means 50 number of neutrons are there. 50, 60, 70, 88 means uranium. Here uranium, how many number of atoms are there? 92 number of atoms. Atomic number is 92, atomic mass is 233. Then what is the atomic number of protons? 92 is the number of protons for uranium, and how many? 141. After calculation, 233 minus 92, we are getting 141. 141 number of neutrons are present in the atom.